guys, my name is Ray Fears. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing this gorgeous look right here. It's a glitter cut crease, not your everyday cut crease. And yeah, like, I hope you guys enjoy the video. All the products will be listed in the description box. I've been on top of my stuff. It might not be right when the video drop, but it's gonna be in the description box. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that like button. Don't forget to comment. Y'all, this lace is so freaking hard. But yeah, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Continue to watch.
So what's up, guys? Here I'm taking my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12, and I'm putting it all over my eyelid. That's what we're going to be using as our primer today, as usual. And then I'm going to take that same Morphe brush and blend that out. I don't know the number. I'll have it listed on the video. But yeah, I'm taking that brush, blending it out, making sure it's all even. I be running, guys. I'm tired. But yeah, just make sure it's all even. And just blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to go in with this blue shade out the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm going to take another Morphe brush. And I'm going to pack that shade on. It's like a turquoise kind of shade. Like a turquoise greenish, sea green type of color. And it matches my hair a little. So I was like, why not? Let's have fun. Let's play in color. I really been enjoying playing in color lately. It's been really fun. Let me know if you guys enjoy it. So yeah, you just want to pat that on. I didn't set the base. I never set the base. I just feel like the eyeshadow sticks to it better. It shows up more pigmented, and yeah, that's why I don't set the base. So you guys should give it a try. One day I just gave it a try, and I was like, oh my god, I freaking love this. And ever since, I've been doing it. So yeah. So now I'm going to take this green shade out of the Morphe James Charles palette. I'm going to take a smaller Morphe brush. I think this is the 507 brush. And I'm going in my crease area. That color kind of blends in with the other color, but not that much. In person, it really looked like it was blending in. So yeah, I started with that shade first, and then we're going to go deeper. I'm going to take this black out of this palette, and we're going to pop that black right on top of that green. You want to gradiently do black. You don't want to just go straight in with just black on the lid. Normally I start off with the darkest shade when I'm trying to build, but yeah, not black. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of like wing that out so it could be going in the direction that we're going to cut the crease. So it could be dark and even in the places that it needs to be. So yeah. I'm just creating a shape and just packing the color on. So now I'm going to take my Inglot gel liner in the shade white. And this liner, guys, I'm going to use to cut the crease. You really want to be careful with it. It's very, very sticky. So like, try not to get it on your eyelashes, because it'll really make your eyelashes very, very hard. And when you go to put on your lashes or mascara, it's going to be hard to coat them. And your eyelash can stick to the actual, your actual lid, because it's so sticky. So yeah. I'm taking that base and I'm dragging it out, winging it out like if we were doing a wing liner. But we're just cutting the crease in this shape like a wing liner. See, I'm getting my eyelash off my lid. And you just want to try to make it precise as possible. Try to get your lines as even as you can get them. And just keep on playing with it. But if not, the glitter is going to fix that when we set the glitter on with the glitter glue. So I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and I'm putting it on the lid, and I'm taking Glitter Injections glitter. I really don't remember the name of this glitter. I have to go find it. I've been having it for a while, but it's so pretty and it was absolutely gorgeous for this look. So yeah, I'm just taking a flat brush with another Morphe brush and packing that glitter. Pressing the glue on, and then taking another brush and packing the glitter on. You really want to use a synthetic brush when you're using glitter glues or lash glues. Some people use lash glue to apply their glitter. So yeah. So now I'm going to take my NYX black liner, and we're going to start doing our liner. This is a matte liner. I love matte liners. They're my favorite. Not liquid per se, but when you're doing glitter and stuff, liquid liner is better to cover the glitter. So yeah, but I really like gel. But my gel is dried out right now. I have to go to the store and get some more. And get some dual liner black ink light. So yeah, I'm just doing the wing, making sure it look even like the other side. Now I'm taking my foundation. This is my Morphe foundation. Don't remember the shade. It'll be in the description box. But I'm taking my Morphe foundation, and I'm going to take my brush and just dab that out. Honestly, you guys, you see my foundation routine. I have a video up on my channel. If you want to see the full thing in depth, I'll have it in the description box. But yeah, I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. It's freaking bomb. I love the color of this concealer and the consistency of it. I just really enjoy it. And I'm going to take that and clean up that wing liner and that blue shade to make sure it's right. And just make sure it looks really, really good. So back to the lower lash line. I am taking that first blue shade, that green shade that we use, and I'm placing that on the bottom lower lash line. And I'm just smoking that out. And I think I take some of that black and go under there as well, just to make it a little bit deeper. Then I'm going in with my lash primer. This is my L'Oreal lash primer. Is my freaking favorite. And yeah, a lash primer is necessary if you want your bottom lashes to be freaking popping. Especially if you have dramatic lashes on the top. You want the bottom one to be on fleek, okay? So yeah, if you don't want to go through the hassle of putting on bottom lashes, you can definitely use the lash primer, and it's going to make them look better than what they did before. So yeah, I'm taking my NYX lip pencil in Cool Brew and my Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick and brown sugar, and I'm placing it on my lips. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.